fascia lata, fascia, or the iliotibial band. Because the reason why is this, it goes from the ilium to the tibia.
Okay.
So this muscle underneath that is called a tensor fascia lata. What it does is that it tenses the fascia. So this is how it goes. When I want to abduct my thigh, this is how it goes. I abduct, I use this muscle, I tense the muscle, therefore I can allow it to abduct.
So when you do, like that,
yeah,
then that stretches.
So it's going to pull on this. So when it tense, it's going to pull this out.
What's it called again?
Tensor fascia lata.
Tensor fascia lata.
Okay. Now this is called a fascia lata itself.
Fascia lata.
Or IT band, ilio from the ilium, tibial band. Yeah. Okay.
Now where's the quadricep?
Now we're gonna go right now. Just cut this. Okay, very good. When you pull this up, you're gonna have a few muscles right here. You're gonna have one. That would be the vastus lateralis on the outside.
Okay.
Okay. This is where you give injections to babies, right?
Okay.
And then you have, sorry, sweetie, I might end up bumping you. You're gonna have vastus medialis,
which is the middle.
The inside.
Okay.
You're gonna have the rectus femoris is the big one that you have. So this is the one in the middle. See this? This humongous. And if you cut it, you would have vastus intermedius in between.
Okay. So can you? So we have the.
You can cut it. Cut it in half. You don't want to do this. Make it easier for you. I want to give you a guiding technique. Or you can use scissors. I'm just cutting. Now, when you peel this back, there should be a muscle underneath that. Hold it like. There we go. Okay, so once we remove the fascia, getting access to this muscle is super easy. And we haven't finished cutting it. So cut it. Yeah, we should be good. Okay, underneath the rectus femoris, you have what's called a vastus intermedius, right here.
That part right there.
That part. Okay.
Okay.
So if you look at that guy, you look at this guy right here.
Okay.
You're gonna have the vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, and rectus femoris, and vastus intermedius.
So that's all four.
All four. So therefore it's called quadriceps femoris.
Quad four.
So the lateralis is on the side.
On the side.
And then the medius is medial.
Towards the middle.
And then
the
femoris.
The femoris will be more superficial.
The big one.
Yeah,
the one that we just cut.
Yeah.
The one we just
and
cut.
vastus intermedius will be
underneath
so
it.
we can say this. Vastus intermedius is medial to the two vastus, but yet deep to the rectus femoris.
Right.
Yes?
Yes.
No?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So shall we just repeat that?
Yeah.
Okay. Vastus
point to-
intermedius is medial to the two vastus. Lateralis and medialis. It's medial, means it's in between. But it's deep to the rectus femoris. Deep means what? It's underneath that. Okay. Good. So we have that. Now, let's go into the next one. Okay, so adductor longus.
Yes.
Adductor femoris. Okay. Or adductor magnus in human, or femoris in cat.
Okay.
This whole thing, so we pull back the gracilis, right? This whole thing right here, the big one right here, is known as semimembranosus.
Yeah.
And now, the bottom one, okay, now this is a trick. Membranosus, semimembranosus can only be seen from the medial side.
Okay.
Semitendinosus can be seen from both sides. The outside and the inside.
Okay.
Okay. Tendinosus. Yes. So think of tendinosus as thin. Membranosus is more membranous, it's bigger.
And then this is
Biceps femoris.
what about this one?
This one right here. Biceps femoris.
This one right here.
This is going to be a part of the vastus lateralis.
Vastus. Okay. Vastus lateralis. Okay.
So clean that up.
Then where's the sartorius?
Sartorius would be this one right here. See the one that I just opened? I peeled
Oh,
that.
okay. So we can only see that on the anterior side.
Yeah.
Then. Okay.
Basically the medial side.
Okay. Got it. Okay. So then
This whole thing was sartorius.
Yes.
this entire thing sartorius, and then the vastus lateralis is
Underneath that.
underneath it, like right.
On the outside. Like
When I just
Okay, right there. Okay, and then the vastus
Alice would be.
medialis would be right here, and then the
Rectus femoris.
rectus femoris, and then the vastus intermedius
would be deep to that.
deep to. Okay, got it.
Okay. So clean up and I'll come and help you guys.
Okay.